Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I'm Tina Pries, the founder and broker of Pries Capital Real Estate. Some of you might not be familiar with us, and that's because we are a boutique private equity investment research and real estate brokerage. At Pries Capital, we work closely with accredited investors, often those with over $10 million in assets under management, as well as family offices, helping them build investment portfolios that stand the test of time. But it's not just about big investors. We also provide exclusive stock market and real estate investment research for all kinds of investors, from institutions to individuals. You might be wondering, how does this relate to my real estate needs? Well, this presentation will shed light on just that. So why should homebuyers, sellers, and real estate agents turn to Pries Capital for their real estate research and data? Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, a seasoned homeowner, a real estate investor, a dedicated agent, or even a brokerage owner, you know that knowledge is power. Power comes from information, information leads to education, education cultivates wisdom, and wisdom sets you free. That's why Pries Capital's real estate market analysis is an absolute essential for today's homebuyers, sellers, and real estate agents. In a world where buyers and sellers have access to platforms like Zillow and your competitors come prepared with good market analysis, having the right insights is crucial. I often say there are three fundamental questions for real estate consumers: what's available for sale? What's the value of my property? And what's happening in the real estate market? Every real estate agent can answer the first two questions: what's for sale and the value of your property. They have access to the MLS and can provide you with a comparable market analysis. Home buyers can easily find listings through various apps. But here's the challenge: very few solutions exist to help realtors explain what's currently happening in the real estate market. Is it a good time to buy? Where are the opportunities? How can you outshine the competition in a competitive market? At Pries Capital, we've developed a system to gather real-time local data about the state of the real estate market. Each week, Pries Capital diligently tracks all properties in Myrtle Beach, revealing valuable real estate insights. We monitor changes in pricing, supply, demand, and even leading indicators that predict transaction prices 30, 60, or 90 days down the road. We segment this data into property types because single-family homes may behave quite differently from the condominium market. Our data is in real time, reflecting the market as it stands today. It's crucial to understand that our data differs from the traditional real estate data you get from the National Association of Realtors. Their data has significant lag time, and the metrics are so broad that by the time you receive it, you don't get an accurate real-time picture of the market. At Pries Capital, we continuously track these properties weekly, employing advanced software that deciphers thousands of market variables and transforms them into valuable insights. We present these real-time market insights each month in meticulously designed high-quality PDF reports and video presentations. Many real estate professionals, from agents to brokerages, rely on our real-time market reports to captivate potential buyers and sellers, establishing themselves as industry experts. Our data empowers them to grasp the ever-changing and often surprising real estate market. Interpreting market data can be daunting, so we designed this product to demystify the data, equipping you with the knowledge you need to confidently discuss statistics, forecast trends, and provide expert guidance to your clients. In the next few slides, we'll highlight some key market statistics. Please note that our monthly real estate market data presentations usually include 20 to 30 slides, but due to time constraints today, we'll focus on a select few of Pries Capital's key statistical indicators. Let's dive into our first key statistic, the Pries Capital Real Estate Action Index. This index answers the crucial question: what's happening in the real estate market right now? It's an indicator of supply and demand, giving you insights into the overall market competitiveness. A real estate action index around 35 indicates a balanced market, where supply meets demand. A real estate action index in the low 30s or below signifies a buyer's market, with more supply than demand and potential price declines. A real estate action index of 35 or higher points to a seller's market, where demand outpaces supply, causing prices to rise. When the real estate action index hits 45 or more, it's a robust seller's market with tight inventory, high demand, and climbing prices. Next, we have the median list price, a key metric. This should not be confused with the median home sales price that the National Association of Realtors mentions. The median list price represents the median price of homes currently available on the market. It's a highly correlated indicator with future sales prices, reflecting what your clients will see as they shop for homes right now. If the median list price is on the rise today, you can expect sales prices and home values to follow suit in the coming months. Think of it as a barometer of sellers' current confidence levels, as it's based on recent transactions. Our clients also have access to a unique metric, the median price of new listings. This is the first place to see market trends in new listings, which will influence the broader market in the coming months. Want to predict what will happen to home values in the next quarter? Just take a look at the median price of new listings today. Here's a quick overview of our key statistics and how to interpret them. While we've highlighted some top statistics in previous slides, there's even more in our real estate data. For instance, we offer an inventory metric that tells you the number of active homes for sale, excluding pending and new construction. This is the most accurate indicator to gauge your competition, unlike the data from the National Association of Realtors. Days on market measures transaction speed, how long it takes a home to sell. Our percent decreased and percent increased metrics indicate demand trends. Percent relisted shows deals falling through or listings expiring. Last but not least, we have the new listings versus absorbed computation ratio, an invaluable real-time indicator to gauge market velocity. It helps you understand how quickly properties are being snapped up after listing, a vital measure of demand for pricing decisions. Now moving on to the next segment of today's presentation, we'll discuss how you can confidently answer buyer and seller questions using Pries Capital's real estate data. But before that, I'd like to emphasize a core principle at Pries Capital, the importance of quantitative information over qualitative data. While we believe there are no dumb questions, there might be less informed answers. Our research and data are rooted in numbers and figures. We use quantitative data to measure opinions, attitudes, behaviors, and more, supporting or refuting hypotheses about various phenomena and providing context for the results. Quantitative research is structured and specific, uncovering patterns in behavior, motivation, emotion, and cognition. This data helps you make informed decisions, unlike qualitative data which relies on descriptive information that can't be measured or counted. Now that we've discussed the importance of quantitative analysis, you're ready to answer buyer and seller questions like a pro. Here are some of the most common questions we encounter. How many of you have been asked, "How's the real estate market?" You can provide a more accurate and intelligent answer by using inventory, days on market, pricing, and the Real Estate Action Index from your Pries Capital Real Estate report. What about when you're asked, "What's going to happen in the real estate market?" Here, we can explore several signals in the data to gauge the future: Pries Capital's Real Estate Action Index, percent price decreases, and the median price of new listings. You can also factor in the seasonal rhythm of the market for guidance. What if you're asked, "Is now a good time to buy?" Look at our price reductions chart with a minimum of 3 to 5 years of data. This gives you a sense of where you are in the seasonal cycle. Then assess the demand in their price range by examining days on market. If their sector is in high demand, they should act swiftly when they find the right property. Next, is now a good time to sell? In addition to observing leading trends, check the Pries Capital Real Estate Action Index. If it's over 35 and rising, that signals strong buyer demand, likely with decreasing inventory and a shorter time on the market. If the REI falls below 35 and is declining, it's moving toward a buyer's market, still a good time to sell, provided the pricing is right. Do you know how to answer questions about a seller's home value? Pries Capital's data can help you contextualize the potential price by sourcing the inventory chart and the percent price decrease chart. You can also gauge how quickly they can sell based on the days on market chart and assess the competition using the inventory and real estate action index charts. To explain price reductions to your clients, focus on the percent price decrease chart where 30 to 35% is typical in most markets. Additionally, Pries Capital's advanced analytics can help you assess the magnitude of price drops and tailor your strategy accordingly. Lastly, you can identify competition levels using the Real Estate Action Index and days on market, segmented by price range. So let's revisit the core question: why do home buyers and sellers need to use Pries Capital's research and data for their real estate needs? The answer is simple: most buyers and sellers want to understand what's happening in the real estate market. That's where Pries Capital's real estate research and data truly shine. It's high-value analytics that you can use to attract new clients, engage existing ones, and enhance every stage of your sales and marketing process. Pries Capital sets you apart by placing your comps in the broader market context, helping you set realistic expectations based on real-time local market conditions. It's all about educating you on how to interpret market data, making you confident and informed. Real data helps keep emotions out of your decision-making process, and our firm can even provide in-person or virtual office visits for further education. Congratulations, you've reached the end of our presentation. We hope this deep dive has provided you with a better understanding of the value Pries Capital Real Estate brings to your real estate endeavors. Working with us can have immediate and long-term benefits. You'll have a powerful tool for lead generation, nurturing leads, building trust and credibility, leveling up your real estate wisdom, negotiating effectively, and ultimately closing more transactions. With the knowledge you've gained today, it's time to get started. We look forward to collaborating with each and every one of you. Thank you for your time and attention.